How to make Keto Zucchini Burrito Boats. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 2 medium zucchini, 2 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil, for frying, half medium yellow onion, diced, 2 teaspoons fresh garlic, minced, 12-ounce ground beef, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, half cup fresh tomatoes, diced, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. Preheat oven to 350 F. 2. Slice the zucchinis lengthwise and scoop out the seeds, plus a little extra, to form a boat for the filling to go in. Set the scooped zucchini extra aside to add to the filling. 3. Put the zucchini, skin side down, in a baking dish. Drizzle with olive oil. 4. Sprinkled with salt and pepper to taste. Bake in the oven for 10 minutes or until the zucchini starts to soften. 5. While the zucchini is baking, add olive oil, onion, garlic, and zucchini that was scooped out into a frying pan over medium heat. 6. Fry for about 5 minutes, or until onion and zucchini are soft. 7. Add the ground beef and sauté until the beef is browned and cooked through. 8. Once the beef is cooked, stir in the chili powder, cumin, paprika, and tomatoes. 9. Spoon the mixture into the zucchini boats. 10. Sprinkled with shredded cheese, then put back in the oven for 15 minutes or until cheese is melted. 11. Serve hot and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of Keto Zucchini Burrito Boats. Each serving comes out to be 458 calories, 37.9 grams fat, 4.9 grams net carbs, and 23.4 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.